Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel and my video. The reason I am creating this video is because I wanted to help many people new in trading and not making a stable profit. They know the trend line, for example, they know where it's going, like uptrend, downtrend, but they don't know exactly where to take profits or where we are at currently. Please forgive my English. It's not my mother language. I'm Korean, so there might be some difficulties explaining sometimes. So I just actually watched Crypto Face's video emergence broadcast and I actually saw this coming already. He said this might go up here, and then if it doesn't get if it get resisted, it might go down. If it gets supported, it might go up, and so on. But I actually saw the trend. I can see the trend, and I shared with 1,500 Korean community people already, and they made some profits. I know that I think, in my personal opinion, that Crypto Face's market cipher is very good indicator, one of the best indicators I've ever encountered. And but people still think that it's scam. It's not a scam. It actually tells you the trend, but that's it. It tells you the trend. But if you study the chart and analyze it, and and then you have this powerful indicator, I think the profit that you're gonna make is gonna be triple, it's gonna be much different. Because and the reason I will show you right away. So for example, right now this is a 4 hour trend and we came up here and then this is where we're currently going at and this is my prediction. This is called ending diagonal. It looks like this. In an uptrend, ending diagonal looks like this. It will consist of five ABCs, and after the fifth ABC, it will have a correction. So as you can see, five ABCs, and right now I think we just started the last ABC. It will have a big corrections for all the uptrends since I believe fall last year, which I've not actually studied because I recently started. But I know that there was a five impulses, so there has to be a correction before it goes back up again to, I don't know, who knows, 100K or so on. But yes, so what I want to share with you guys is that this is 15 minute. This is C wave. Okay, so C wave of right here. So fourth C wave. So fourth C wave, if you look bigger, this is A. So from bottom, from oh no, where are we? Sorry. Okay, so this is A from bottom, B, and from B top, this is the highest point. This is C, and we just finished C. Look at this pattern. It's exactly the same. Downward trend, ABC, and then 5, and then go up below the trend line or the uh, sustainable line or support, sorry, support line, go below and go up. Let's go back. ABC, ABC, ABC. The third always has to be the largest. If you go back here, the third always has to be the largest, not shortest among the three impulses, or not impulses, but wave 1, 3, and 5. If you study um, elite wave theory, you will see that there are some rules, and the rules are the third wave has to be the longest. Not 100%, but most of the cases. And so let's go back. This is the third wave. And we had a fourth wave. People told me this was a uh, what was it? Tesla Elon Musk pump or something. But I saw this coming since 19th, and this was what from the 23rd, 24th. So I saw this since 19th here, which was my birthday actually. And I shared with people that this was gonna occur, and this had happened exactly. And I told people not to go short here. A lot of people drew line like this because, of course, that's all you had previously. So I told people that do not take short here when it touched the line. Do not. Because, very simple. If you look at the downtrend ending diagonal, B does not touch the line. C of Uh, ABC has to be higher than B, and only the two has to touch. So let's go back. So I told people do not take short here and wait until it goes up, and then wait until it has some correction move, and people started downward move, then take short at safely here. And then I made good profit here, and my friends, community people also made profit. Um, and here, same thing, ABC. And it went over the line, and now I believe that it's going back up. So I took long, I think here. At first, I wanted to take long here, but I was very skeptical because it did not go over the line. And I always had in mind that this is not ABC. This B correction was way too small and way too short compared to all the previous charts. You can also check similar patterns previously. There were many downward ending diagonals, and they were very similar. If you want to study Bitcoin charts and want to know where it's going, very simple. You just go to previous charts and find something that looks similar to this. Similar to this, that's it. I don't think that's ending diagonal, but yes, there always has been ending diagonal in different time frames as well. So study the chart and trade safely, and it will amplify and it will profit you much more if you know the knowledge of these basic um, chart analysis. I don't know what they call it, but um, this plus if you use the indicator such as market cipher. I don't know this guy. He does not know me. So he does not pay me for this, but I know that it's a very good, well-made indicator. It's a little bit expensive, but I think it's worth it once you start making money. Um, so please study these. It will take you less than 1 week. Very simple. I will see if I can make upload um, the simple study guide, very simple videos teaching you the very important parts of these. Uh, Yes, so study these and use the indicators, other indicators. There are many indicators that are out there for you. And please trade safely. Do not get liquidated. And yes, and please take my advice or my idea as alternate possible trend. But like, please don't take it as a financial advice. Okay, so now I will tell you where we are at in a bigger time frame and where we're going at. So here, the reason that I thought that we are going into a bigger and final ending upward diagonal is because of these two irregular pattern here. These two made me think that we are going into ending diagonal. So usually what would happen in Elliott wave theory, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these three impulses, 1, 3, and 5 has to be impulse, like another smaller uh, impulse. Let's check here, Elliott wave theory. So impulse with an impulse, correction, correction, big correction. Even correction has impulse, correction, impulse. Um, okay, so let's go back to 4 hour. So this was the top of impulse number 3, and there was ABC. But after ABC, you see that there was another ABC. So this is a regular pattern, okay? So there was a regular pattern, but I had to ignore it at that time. Um, but if you come here, there was again ABC, this bottom here, ABC, and then again another ABC, irregular pattern here. According to Elliott wave theory, after wave 3 and correction, there has to be impulse. But why is there ABC and then impulse? This is an impulse. ABC again after correction and then impulse. So I came to thought, this is ABC, small ABC, and then this is A, B, and C. Okay, so A, B, C, C being impulse, A, B, C being ABC. So, and then down of course, this is an ABC correction to the impulse here, and I will later teach you guys how far these guys will go. So, for example, if you saw the ABC, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse, and you took short here, position short here, then you would think, oh my goodness, where do I have to take profit? Like, for example, if you see his live, Crypto Faces live, he will just take profit once he sees the trend finishes. I mean, that's a good way, but it does not give you exact number. I will show you later the exact number that you can actually take profit at. Where are we? It's actually quite simple. It's Fibonacci. It's Fibonacci. It's very, very simple. Fibonacci rule. So you will start taking profit at golden number 0.618. You will take at least half profit here and keep half profit. For example, if you're wrong and if it goes back up like this crazy, then you can always reclaim the rest of half profit here. And in the end, you always make profit, always. But if you're sure that this is gonna go ABC, then you wait until you come back up here, which is 0.786, and you take another short here. Okay, so you take half profit here, you put another short, so you top up more short, and then you wait until the next one. Okay, zero point 0.5, you take another half profit because normally it's supposed to go to um, 6 618 from here, this side to here, so 382. It's sorry, it's hard to explain, but if it does, then you take half profit here and rest of the profit here. But if it doesn't, if it here goes here and then starts impulse, then immediately you see that, oh, it looks like impulse, then you take the rest of the profit here. Or you can wait until here and you still make profit. Trust me. I've seen many people make millions and millions of dollars from using this kind of way. Fibonacci Elliott, very, very strong. This applies to anything. For example, even um, if you, for example, this is, I don't know if that's an impulse or not, but you just want to go, oop, I want to go make profit here. It touched the line. I took long. Okay, so I want to make profit. Oh, this is, I want to make profit. So for example, if you took long here, where would you take profit? Here, 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 and here. Okay, very simple. So Fibonacci is very, very strong. For example, this was ABC, and now we're going A, B, C, and then it's gonna, from my point of view, it's gonna go up here easily. We're gonna go high, high. Okay. For example, that looks like an impulse. I don't know. Let's see. You have to check the lower time frame because, like I said, in order to become an impulse, these waves also has to be an impulse. How do you check that? Lower time frame. It's not easy to make money, boys. But okay. So, for example, if you took short here because you thought that was the end of impulse, where would you take profit? Once it came down to golden number, half profit, but oops, it, it's not finished. Okay, so that was 1, 2, 3, extended 3, and then 4, 5. Oh, okay, so I take rest of the profit here, still make money. You take another short here. How do you know where to take short? I will explain that later. It's using the divergence and also the, what is it called, the market um, price or something, that shows you where how many people are betting money. Let me just go check here. It's called order book. Sorry about that. Order book. So you would see that. I will show you my it's secret, but I'll share it with you later on. Where to take short position, where there will be a big trend change. There are many indicators like RSI, order book, resist support line, for example. Here, I don't see many resist support line, but here you see that there were many trades. So you have to think that people who shorted here will have to sell here because, as I said, you take profit and people don't want to lose money. So you have to think that there will be trend change where many people made money. I mean, many people started trading. For example, here. here, here, here. And that is also called horizontal line, um, and so on. So yes, I got. I don't know why I'm talking about this, but yes, the reason I'm making this video is because I want to share people my idea where we are at, where we might go, and the fact that I was able to see all these coming and I was able to help many people. And this is, as I said, ABC. So this is B. A was an impulse, B was an ABC, and C was not impulse. Instead, it was um, downward ending diagonal. Exactly the same. So with this powerful knowledge and other indicators, I hope you guys make safe trading and make lots of money. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.